Welcome home to 711 Meadowgate Lane. This is a great investment right in the heart of St. Bethlehem. Here is the view from the foyer and front entry. Notice the great natural light. Just inside is the formal dining room. There is also a formal living room in the front of the home. Take a look at the large kitchen. There is plenty of cabinet and counter space. The window over the sink looks into the backyard. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances. Here is a look at the breakfast nook with a door to the back deck. This spacious great room has a corner fireplace. Here is another view facing the foyer. This powder room is located on the main level. The utility room is just off of the kitchen. The large master bedroom is located on the second level. Here is another view showing the 2 closets and attached bath. The master bath has a double vanity and combination tub and shower. There are 2 closets. One for him and one for her. There are 3 additional bedrooms. Each has great natural light. And a ceiling fan. This full hall bath is shared by the secondary bedrooms. The den upstairs offers a great additional living space. There is a full unfinished basement. It offers plenty of indoor storage or an opportunity to expand.